What's up, guys? JP the Install Guy here, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2014 Toyota Prius C, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install your own. If you're into that type of thing, consider subscribing, because that's what we do here. Anything car radio install related, that's what this channel is about. And from time to time, I like to share my knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel is for you. So first thing you want to do is come over here to the right side. I'm actually going to use my panel removal tool just to get a little leverage on the back part of that panel. Then I'm going to just start using my hands and start popping all those clips all around. This front part, this first part, is the only piece that actually has to come out, so we're just going to pop that off like that. This one harness on the back is for the hazard light, so I'm just going to take that off just so we can get that out the way. Put that down on the floor. Next we have 4 10mm bolts, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. We're going to go ahead and take those out. Alright, now that radio just slides out, and we're going to disconnect all of these harnesses. Alright, so as you can see, we got the factory radio out. Now let's get over here to the test bench so we can get that dash kit prepped and get everything wired up. Alright, so we're over here on the dash kit. Here we have the radio, and here we have the kit. It comes with 3 pieces, and it also comes with some screws. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to actually line the right piece on the right side, left piece on the left side. You will see 2 holes kind of exposed right there, and then there's going to be some screws that came with the dash kit. You want to screw those in just like this. Now that we got those screwed in, you want to take your double din, face it down, slide it down, and then when I turn this to the side, you're going to actually see that those holes line up. Now what we want to do is take the screws that came with the radio and put in 2 on each side. And now that we've done that, you can see what the dash kit looks like. 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right to make sure it's secure. Now let's get this thing wired up and get back inside the car. So now we're back inside the car, and as you can see, I have it wired up. If this is your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over this part? We're here at the channel, we mainly do radio removal and install videos, and I didn't want to go over the CD player wiring every single time I made a video. So for the people who don't know how to wire up a CD player, I didn't forget about you. I made one video showing you guys how to wire up a CD player. I go over each individual wire, the colors, and what they do. And yes, every car is different, but the aftermarket wire colors are always the same. And as long as you buy the wire harness that you need for your vehicle, the secondary source should help you wire this radio up. Now let's just say you need to hardwire your radio in because you've already cut your harness, or you bought the car and it didn't have a harness in it. I do have videos showing you how to hardwire in the how-to playlist, and I give all that information to my Patreons because those guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel, so I go the extra mile supporting them by giving them wire colors and behind the scenes footage. And last but not least, this is what the radio looks like when it's all said and done, pushed back into the cavity. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links will be in the description. Patreon link will be in the description for those who want to be a furthermore supporter. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Y'all be blessed.